Hi friends, this is Priyanka Singh. Welcome to my YouTube channel, The Food Travel. Today I'm going to make white beans with fruits. This is very good recipe for breakfast or for brunch. First of all, I'm taking around 1 tablespoon of oil. I'm using olive oil. Our oil is hot. I'm adding half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Now I am adding 1 onion. Just saute a little bit, don't cook a lot. This is complete package of proteins, minerals, because I'm going to add cucumber, tomato with fruits and nuts. Our onions are done. Now I'm adding around 1.5 cup of white beans. Salt to taste. And now allow this to cook. And cook till it becomes soft. See, our beans are done. It's properly cooked. And one more thing, I soaked these beans for 8 hours and then I am making this. So you have to soak it before and then you have to make it. Now I am adding half cup of banana, half cup of apple, 1/4 cup cucumbers, 4 to 5 cherry tomatoes. Mix it well. Half teaspoon of lemon, 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix it well. And in the last, few walnuts, few cashew, few raisin, few almonds. Nuts are completely optional. If you don't like, don't put it. So just mix it well and have this. Enjoy with your friends and family. If you like this recipe, please share, like and comment. And also press subscribe button below if you have not subscribed yet. Also press bell icon so that you can get notifications. Thank you.